Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be discussing about crypto, Bitcoin, and also I want to show you a little bit of Solana, what's happening at the current stage of the market, but also I want to reveal to you at the end of the video what I think is going to be happening during this upcoming bull market. How high we're going to go into this bull market and when I think is going to be the blow off top. So of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button for more news about the cryptocurrency market. But let's go straight away into Bitcoin. So at the moment, Bitcoin has broken roughly 5 or 6 days ago. That's interesting level of resistance over here in this channel, and then it went up and retested this level at $68,500, and then it started to climb back down around this area to retest the now, of course, support. And as per my prediction, I was thinking that Bitcoin could have retested this diagonal line of support and then pump to new highs at 74,000. As you can see, at the moment we are still retesting around this area over here, and we are again into this sort of channel. And just right now we broke this channel over here, and it looks like we are retesting now this on the 4 hours, the 100 moving average, 200 moving average. And the question is, where are we gonna go next? Well, first of all, guys, what is very important is to understand that we need to break this level of resistance over here in order to go back around this area. So I will be very confident in buying if we're gonna go above this level at roughly $70,000. If you're gonna go below that, then unfortunately what I think is going to be happening is if we're gonna be breaking this level over here at around support, then of course that could be like my bearish scenario. So if you're gonna break this channel over here, let's say for example down here, down to 61,000, then what could be happening? We could be falling down to the next level of this diagonal support around here, or the channel, which could be roughly $56,000 to $57,000 by I'll say maybe next week on Monday or Tuesday. Otherwise, if we're gonna be able to finally break this level over here as per prediction, then of course we're gonna close, let's say, above here. Then the next target is going to be maybe from here up to $74,000, because what could be happening, this could be a inverted head and shoulder. So having an inverted head and shoulder, we can calculate the target, because we could be from here to here, and then it really corresponds to this area roughly around the $74,000 to $75,000. But guys, this is the key. That's very important. Really, we want to see lots of volume coming in to push the price to the upside, and then once we're going to be able to break $69,000 to $68,000, of course, then I'm going to be opening a huge long position from here. So that's it for Bitcoin at the moment. Also on the 1 hour chart, as you can see, we are retesting this line over here. Just keep going down. So we just broke up right now, but I really want to see more continuation to the upside. But next one I want to show today, guys, is also Solana. Solana is also in a very interesting situation as well. We pumped up to the 0.76 Fibonacci at $200. We went as high as 207, and now we're having a sort of like a correction from here. And it is my expectation that if Bitcoin is gonna, let's say, drop down again to maybe $56,000, $57,000, then what we could be seeing could be a retest of this diagonal level of support at around $140, and then of course having this nice V-shaped recovery, which looks like almost that if you actually have a look from here, Solana is forming what we call a cup and handle pattern. So cup and handle, you have a cup over here, you have a pattern over here, and so you have a handle over here, and then if this is going to break out, then my first target could be a new all-time high at around $300. Let's say by maybe July, August 2024, after Bitcoin is going to break the previous all-time high and maybe reach a level of $80,000 to $90,000. I can show you more in depth as well what I think it could be happening. If Bitcoin breaks the 55,000, then of course Solana could actually continue to go down, maybe touch 154, have a bit of retracement from here, then touch this level of support that is 0.6 on a Fibonacci at around $140, and then I could be expecting another explosion to all-time high by, let's say, May, June, July 2024. Very difficult to say the exact date, but what you can actually see that Solana could be heading higher. And I'm not saying that you're not going to see, for example, something like that, but I'm just saying that in the worst case scenario, that's what I could be expecting. So that it makes things, quite interesting. And now, guys, at the end of the video, I want to show you what I think about Bitcoin is going to be happening for 2024 and also 2025. Guys, I really believe that utilizing our levels of Fibonacci retracements and also extension, Bitcoin is at the moment forming what we call a cup and handle tear as well. So cup and handle is a continuation pattern, and in general is from around this area over here. So the reason why I think is this is going to happen is because, first of all, looking at the Fibonacci log trend over here, you can see that if I project a line from here to here, and then I just keep going all this way, and then I put also a horizontal line around this area, it brings me on a date of roughly the 29th of April, a price of $84,000. So in this time, guys, is going to be the halving event. The halving is going to be around the 20th. So I could be expecting that because of the halving, Bitcoin could potentially form a local top. So I would say, for example, maybe next week or the next few weeks, what we could be seeing would be a retracement down to $58,000, $57,000. Which could be like a very healthy correction, then a blow off top in anticipation and post 1 week after the halving to maybe our first local top, and then after that maybe it could be a systemic crisis with the banks, could be hyperinflation coming where the Fed might be forced to increase interest rate. So there could be like a multitude of factors which could cause a local top around this area and then a sharp sell-off to the downside. It's going to be manipulated, of course. We're talking about Bitcoin, which is a highly manipulated asset. So what I could be expecting from here could be also a retracement down to, let's say, from $84,000 to $51,000. That could be, again, our formation of our handle. So cup over here, handle over here, and the way you can calculate the cup and handle in general, as the first target, you calculate the height over here of the handle and just put it over here. So I will say that we're going to see around the halving, April, May, top $84,000, then a sharp correction down to roughly $52,000 by September, October, and then from October until the end of the year, we're going to see this very sharp move to the upside, 115,000, then a bit of a sell-off around January, February to, again, 94, 90,000, and then a final blow top around February, March 2025 with a target of $155,000, which is, again, from a technical point of view, is the completion of the cup and handle. So I'm gonna go here, that's my cup. Then if I just put it this way, so I just had to turn around, and it's going to give me a target of $155,000. Okay, guys, I think that's about it for today. I really hope it was helpful. And again, this is not financial advice. It's my own opinion, my own study. But I think it's very reasonable to say that by 2025, the price of Bitcoin is going to be 155,000. I'm probably being, very conservative. But also, let me know in the comment below what you think about the price of Bitcoin. If it's going to go the high, or it's going to go lower, or it's probably gonna, go sideways for a longer time. I really would like to know your opinion. Have a great day, and I'm gonna see you in the next video.